Hi dancers, Miss Kelly. I'm going to show you the special dancing part for I Don't Believe It. At the beginning and also sometimes in between singing parts, you're going to do a grapevine, which means step on the right foot, then the left foot, cross it behind that right foot that you just stepped on, and then right foot again, and then just tap the left foot and pick it back up so you can step back on the left foot. The right one goes behind again this time, and then left foot, and then tap the right foot. So together it goes right, left behind, right, tap left, left, right behind, left, tap right. Okay, so a 1, 2, 3, and 4, a 5, 6, 7, 8. That's a grapevine to the right and then to the left. Then you're going to go to the right, turning. 1, 2, 3, tap the left foot and then go back. 1, 2, 3, and done. Okay, so the grapevine and the turns, ready? Grapevine and tap, go back. 1, 2, 3, and tap. Now turn. 1, 2, 3, and tap. Go back. 1, 2, 3, you're done. Okay, then for a while when we're singing, you just do what everybody else is doing. But on the no more talk about a gnome, that part we have a special thing for you to do, which is called step ball change. Okay, so you're going to step on your right foot. Your left foot, only the front part just takes a little step, and then you just go back onto your right foot that you started on. When I say ball of your foot, it's like your heel lifts up off the ground a little bit, so you're kind of like on the front part of your foot. That's the ball of your foot. Okay, so you step, ball change, and then the other side, step, ball change. That is no more talk about a gnome. Then you're going to do, they're kind of kicks, but you don't really lift up your leg. You just kind of switch feet. You just go like, leave the talk of gnomes at home. Okay, so just, you're kind of jumping onto your right foot and your left foot just sticks out to the side, and then you just switch and just keep switching. I think it is 7 or 8 of them. Okay, but you went, no more talk about a gnome. Leave that talk of gnomes at home. On the word home, you can put both your feet down. Okay, and then let's get real is the same as before, as real as can be. And then you're gonna step on your right foot going forward. Then you're gonna turn your body, and then that same right foot that came forward is now gonna go forward while you're facing this way, and then keep turning to make a full circle. It's called a pivot turn. So same foot forward, and that same foot forward again when you go the other direction. So your left foot just kind of stays there and just like doesn't take any steps, it just pivots. That's why it's called a pivot turn. So the right foot forward, turn, right foot again, and keep turning. Sometimes people, when they start doing it, and then they think they should go back the way they came, no, you should make a full circle. Right foot and right foot. Okay, so that's the pivot turn. And then you're just gonna go, I don't believe anything I can't see, which everybody else is doing, is you need that little moment to reset so you can go back to grapevine during the break, and turning, and turning. Okay, because you have to be ready for that. And I wanted to give you just a little minute where you could just be not doing much for a while. Okay, I'm gonna make another video doing it with the music so you can practice, okay? Bye.